7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. This is just an unboxing video of the Redmi Y2 4GB RAM black variant which was recently released. So it has got a new packaging with Katrina Kaif in the front. Rest all the specs are the same. You can check my previous videos on the Redmi Y2. Take a look at the box contents. I bought this during the Amazon Great Indian Sale with bank offers and additional discounts at a steal price. So let's open the box. Okay, the black color looks good. We can check the rest of the box contents. So instruction manual, warranty and a clear soft case. A standard 5V 2A charger, micro USB cable and SIM ejector tool. So Xiaomi has started printing on the pre-applied screen guard, making it unusable. And you need to buy a clear or tempered screen guard for protection. So it came with MIUI 9 out of the box. Quickly setting up the phone. So here is a SIM tray. You can use 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. So about phone, MIUI 9.6. A new MIUI 10 stable update is available for the Y2. I will add some benchmark comparison videos of the 3GB versus 4GB RAM variants and MIUI 9 versus MI 10. So that was about the unboxing of Redmi Y2 black variant. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.